Okay, in this video we're going to look at the conservation of momentum when objects are connected. So you've got B and A which are connected. B is 2 and A has a mass of 3 kilograms. Okay, so if we look at the working from this, under the law of conservation of momentum, then MAUA is equal to MBUB. When the string goes taut, okay, obviously this speed would have to be bigger than this speed. Okay, then we have just one final velocity which we can calculate using this. So if we start it at the moment, okay, it gets taut, and then eventually, the final velocity will be 0.26 when they're together. Okay, the impulse of A is the force times the time, which is equal to MAV minus MAU, which is going to be, we use a sort of a J for that, an elongated J, will give me 1.8 Newton seconds, and the impulse of B after the rope becomes full is the same but negative. And we can change the initial velocity, so it can do a bit faster. We're not going to negative. Okay, we can change the initial velocity so it should go tauter much quicker. Okay, and we will get V being 2 this time. Okay, so the GeoGebra app is connected, link is in the notes of the video. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.